So students, we have started the chapter number 7, weather, climate and adaptation of animals to climate. So in this chapter we will study about the weather, climate and the adaptation. Okay. So in the introduction part it is given that whenever you go somewhere in the hilly areas, you pack your bag according to the weather of that place. And also another example that is given that whenever you have to plan any family function, you plan according to the weather. Okay. And if it is raining, your mother told you that tell you that to take umbrella when you are going outside. So you can see this weather affects our lives also. Clear? We plan our family function according to the weather. Okay, and so weather has a profound effect. That means it has a great effect. Clear? And how the weather is predicted in the old times when there is no mobile phones or internet. Now the mobile phones and internet available, so we are able to see the weather of any place all over the world. But when there are in the old time when there were no mobile phones, the radios, transistors are used to give information about the weather. Clear? So what is weather? Firstly, we will discuss about what is weather. Then we will come to the topic 7.1. Okay, the topic 7.1 is weather, but the definition is not given at the starting. It is given on the page number 69. It is written in bold. What is weather? It is the day-to-day condition. It is day-to-day condition with respect to the with respect to the with respect to temperature, rainfall, humidity. Clear? So, and the wind speed. Last one is wind speed. जो डे टू डे कंडीशन है कि कल वेदर कैसा था, आज कैसा वेदर है, रात को कैसा वेदर होगा इन द नाइट. सो इट इज एंड इट कैन वेरी. ओके, जो टेम्परेचर इन द मॉर्निंग द वेदर इज ऑफ डिफरेंट एंड इन द आफ्टरनून द वेदर इज डिफरेंट. ओके, टेम्परेचर क्योंकि चेंज हो रहा है, सो इट कैन वेरी. सो इट इज वेरी difficult to predict the weather. Clear? It is very difficult to predict. Difficult to predict. It is not an easy task to predict the weather. Okay, it is a difficult task. Clear? So these temperature, rainfall, humidity, wind speed, these are the weather elements. Clear? These are the weather elements. What is humidity? Anyone? What is humidity? Yes. Yes. So humidity is the moisture content in air. That how much water vapor is present in the air. So it is a moisture content in air. Clear to you? Weather क्या है? Day to day condition है. That is vary in nature. So it is very difficult to predict the weather. Clear? And the weather elements are temperature, rainfall, humidity, and wind speed. Here, where the humidity is the moisture content that is present in the air. The amount of water vapor you can also say. Clear? And now next coming to the 7.1 topic. There is a weather report from a newspaper is given on the page number 68. Figure 7.1. Can you read the figure 7.1? Yes. So please underline the last line that humidity is a measure of the moisture in air. Clear? So weather report carries information about the temperature, humidity, rainfall, okay, during the last 24 hours. Okay, you can see in the figure 7.1. So you can see that in this the maximum temperature, minimum temperature, sunrise, sunset is given, and also the moonrise and moonset timing is also given. Okay, so in the next is the humidity level. Humidity level is also given in that report. Clear? So the weather report will give you information about all these. Okay, temperature, the humidity, rainfall. Okay, so it is given in the weather report. So weather report, who prepare the weather report? The meteorological department of government. Okay, underline the blue box that the weather reports are prepared by meteorological department of government. Clear? It is important to know that the who prepares the weather report? Meteorological department of government. Clear? Now next is this department collects the data information about the temperature, rainfall, humidity, and wind also. So they will predict that what type of weather there is during the day, during the 24 hours. Okay. So in the activity 7.1, cut out the weather reports of the last week from any newspaper. Okay, you can, if you don't have newspaper, you can also note the weather from. You can also note down the weather from the mobile phone. You can also take the help of internet. Okay, so in the table 7.1, you will fill the date. You will start noting the weather from today. Okay, or you can start from tomorrow also. In the morning, you have to write the maximum temperature, minimum humidity, maximम humidity. Rainfall, rainfall may not be recorded because sometimes it जो rain होती है, sometimes नहीं भी होती है. ठीक है? So अगर रेनफॉल का डाटा अवेलेबल नहीं है इंटरनेट पे, so you can leave it blank. Here you will fill the maximum, minimum temperature and the maximum and minimum humidity. Clear to all of you? So you will start from today. Clear? Today is Thursday. Up to next Thursday, you. So you will fill that table 7.1. Okay. And now the next is the rain. To measure the rainfall, there is an instrument that is used that is called the rain gauge. The rain gauge is used to measure the rainfall. Okay. It is given in the blue box on the page number 69 that rainfall is measured by an instrument called the rain gauge. It is just a cylindrical in nature. Measuring cylinder है जिसके ऊपर measures होंगे पूरे, ठीक है? And there is funnel at the top. Okay, there is a funnel-like structure at the top. Clear? And it is used to measure the rainfall. Now next is, can you tell me the जो maximum and minimum temperature होंगे वो same रहते हैं कि it can vary? It can vary. Maximum and minimum temperatures vary day to day. Okay. So you will fill the table and you will observe that what are the maximum temperature. There is variation or there is no variation. Okay. So over a week you will consider a week. Okay. You will fill the table and there is next definition is given that we have already discussed, and then the elements of weather are also given. Please underline the elements of the weather also that we have discussed. So weather of a place can change day to day also. Clear? You have observed that sometimes the temperature is very high in the afternoon and after some time जो rain हो जाती है, ठीक है, suddenly rain हो जाती है, clouds आ जाते हैं और वो cloudy कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि बिल्कुल बारिश होके होती है और बिल्कुल टेम्परेचर हाई हो गया, हॉटनेस हो गई, ठीक है. सो वेदर में वेरी. So the weather is a very complex phenomena. To measure the weather, it is a very complex phenomenon. Here it is complex phenomenon. Okay, and the important point is that it can vary over a short period of time. It can vary within the short period of time. Yeah. So it is not easy to predict the weather. So the next point will be not easy to predict weather. ठीक है, क्योंकि ये बार बार जैसे कि शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम में चेंज हो रहा है, तो प्रेडिक्शन कभी कभी गलत भी हो सकती है. यू हैव आल्सो नोटिस दैट टेम्परेचर जो मोबाइल फोन इंटरनेट पे लिखा होता है 20% चांसेस ऑफ रेन, बट द टेम्परेचर इज वेरी हाई एट दैट टाइम. ओके, वो रेन होती नहीं है. तो इट इज नॉट इजी टू प्रिडिक्ट द वेदर. क्लियर? So we can say sometimes that weather is too humid or the weather was warm in the last week. So in the next para that is given on page number 69, the weather is such a complex phenomenon. It can vary over a short period of time. Underline this line. Next, third bench. Stand up, bache. Read the para. My voice is audible to you, but your voice is not audible to me here. Yes, bache. It is such a complex phenomenon that it can vary over very short period of time. It can happen just like that in the morning, but suddenly clouds clear and it starts raining high or heavy in the morning and the long and give way to clouds and sunshine. And that makes several experience. Try to recall and so in this in this para we have already discussed that the temperature, the weather may vary. Okay, कभी कभी बिल्कुल rainfall हो जाती है, कभी बिल्कुल bright sunshine. So it is not easy to predict the weather. Clear? And then now the next, there is a graph that is given that will show the maximum and minimum temperature that is recorded from the during the 3rd of August 2006 to 9th of August 2006 at Shillong, Meghalaya. Okay, there are maximum temperature is given and a graph is drawn between the temperature and the days. Okay, in this line, in the horizontal, there are days from 3 to 6, and in the vertical, there is the temperature, the variation of the temperature in degree Celsius is given. So you can observe that in figure 7.2 that the temperature is varying. It is not a constant line. It is not a straight line. अगर weather change नहीं होता है तो ये temperature क्या रहता है? Constant रहता है. ठीक है, ऐसे जो graph आता है linear आता है. But in the figure it is given that the temperature is changing in this way. कभी 22, 25, 26 ऐसे है. ठीक है. So the temperature is varying. Clear? After this, concept is clear to you all. any problem or any doubt if you have? Yes. With respect to क्योंकि हम comparison कर रहे हैं ना, एक तरफ इधर है. With respect to time, we are noting that temperature with जैसे कि हम days note down कर रहे हैं with respect to the temperature जो time है, days इस तरफ और जो time है जो sorry temperature है वो इस तरफ. हमें कोई दो quantities चाहिए ना, हम एक सिंगल क्वांटिटी तो किसको कंपेयर करें किसी के साथ, हमें कंपैरिजन चाहिए. ठीक है, तो विद रिस्पेक्ट टू हम इसलिए यूज कर सकते हैं देयर आर टू क्वांटिटीज सो दैट वी कैन मेजर, वी कैन ऑब्जर्व द चेंज. क्लियर कि कैसे चेंज हो रहा है. अगर हम एक क्वांटिटी लेंगे, हम वेरी किसके साथ कर रहे हैं हमें ये तो पता ही नहीं है. क्लियर. सो देयरफॉर वी टेक द ग्राफ बिटवीन द टू. दो कोऑर्डिनेट्स है x and y, you know that. So in the x we are taking the dates, okay. In the vertical component, that is a y, we are taking the temperature range, temperature variation. Clear. So next is there is use of special thermometers that are called the maximum and minimum thermometers. Clear. Maximum and minimum thermometers. So the next is the maximum and minimum thermometers. These are the special types of thermometers that are used to measure the maximum and minimum temperature. Clear? Maximum and minimum thermometers. These thermometers will tell you about the maximum temperature and the minimum temperature. Okay, therefore these are called the maximum minimum thermometers. Clear. We have studied it in the chapter 4 also. Chapter 4 में भी maximum and minimum thermometers के बारे में introduction था. So these are the that are used to find the maximum and minimum temperature of the previous day. Okay, that is reported in the weather report. Yeah. So it is just a U-shaped tube-like structure is there. Okay, that will tell you the maximum and minimum temperature. It is U-shaped. Okay, rest of the things and the construction is not in your syllabus. So only the definition is given is in your syllabus and what are the maximum and minimum thermometers. Okay. So can you guess during the day when we have the maximum temperature and when we have the minimum temperature? Maximum temperature is in the afternoon and minimum temperature in the early morning. Okay, so the maximum temperature is in afternoon and the minimum temperature early morning. Clear? So why there is a variation? There is a question that is asked in the left side box. What is the source of weather in the first place? So weather is changing due to the sun. Okay, sun is very far from Earth, but the light and heat from the sun reaches us Earth. Okay, and the heat is also absorbed by the water bodies. Okay, therefore there is a variation in the weather. Clear? Absorption हो रही है. Absorption means absorb होना. Clear? Reflection मतलब reflect करना. Clear? Bouncing back of the light, heat. Reflect भी हो रही है, absorb भी हो रही है energy जो है. Clear? So energy absorbed and reflected by the Earth's surface, ocean and the atmosphere play important role in determining the weather of that place. So the important source is the primary source is the sun. Clear? Sun is far away, it is at million distance. Clear? But still it is affecting the weather of the Earth. Clear? So if you live near the sea, you would have realized that the weather at place is different from that place in the desert and hilly areas. Obviously, the temperature, the weather of a desert is different from the hilly region. Okay, वहाँ पे जो है बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है desert में, but जो hilly areas है वहाँ पे जो है थोड़ी कम गर्मी होती है. Here it is due to the sun. Here, so the sun is affecting the weather of our earth, of any place. Okay, if the sunlight from the any, अगर sunlight जो है direct बिल्कुल straight पड़ रही है, for example it is the sun, ठीक है, ये हमारी अर्थ है, क्लियर. अगर इस पे जो लाइट है बिल्कुल ज्यादा पड़ेगी इक्वेटर के ऊपर, तो this is having high temperature as compared to the poles. Clear? As compared to the pole जो इक्वेटर पे ज्यादा गर्मी होती है. Clear? नॉर्थ पोल एंड साउथ पोल में थोड़ा ठंड रहता है. ओके, और जो एंड द अनदर थिंग इज, अगर यहाँ पे ज्यादा सनलाइट पड़ रही है ऑन द अदर साइड ऑफ द अर्थ, इट विल बी कूलर देन दिस. ओके, यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट सनलाइट पड़ रही है तो यहाँ पे टेम्परेचर हाई होगा, वेदर भी हॉट होगा, ठीक है. बट इन दिस के इन द अदर साइड द टेम्परेचर इज लो बिकॉज इट इज फार अवे फ्रॉम द सन. क्लियर? इधर समर सीजन होगा, उधर का विंटर होगा. जब भी अर्थ जो है टिल्ट करेगी तो अर्थ जो टिल्ट है एंगल कितना है, मींस के अर्थ एक्सिस पे अपने स्पिन करती है, ठीक है, तो उसका एंगल पे ऐसे स्ट्रेट नहीं मूव कर रही है, वो ऐसे नहीं मूव कर रही है, ऐसे नहीं है वो एक्सिस, इट इज टिल्टेड इन दिस वे at some angle. Clear? So therefore there is a variation, okay, that we can see and we can observe also. So next, coming to the 71 page number, up to this the blue box is clear to you. Maximum minimum temperature is clear. What is weather? Yes, can anyone tell what is weather? Anji? Anyone other? English में लिखनी है definition, so you will tell me in English. Yes, temperature, humidity, wind speed भी है और एक और rainfall भी है, ठीक है. So now the next is on the page number 71. What about the times of sunrise and sunset? You know that in winters it becomes dark early. जो रात है वो जल्दी हो जाती है विंटर्स में, बट जो समर्स में है वो रात इतनी जल्दी नहीं होती है, ठीक है. सन सेट्स एट अबाउट 7:30, अराउंड 7:30, ठीक है. सो व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड इट? यू विल टेल मी द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन टुमारो. क्लियर? क्लियर टू यू ऑल? So I will ask you the answer from you. So the next topic is climate. Weather is totally different from the climate. Okay, जो weather है it is day-to-day condition. But what is climate? Climate is the average temperature that is noted for a long period of time. For many years, for about, for example, 25 years, we are noting the temperature of any place. Okay, that is climate. अब हमें पता है, for example, desert में उन्होंने कितना टेम्परेचर नोट किया होगा for about 25 years, and but they said, उन्होंने कहा कि यहाँ पे ज्यादा गर्मी ही रहती है क्योंकि जो previous record है 25 years का, the temperature is very high. So the climate of the desert is hot. Clear? On the other hand, in the case of polar ice cap, or in the case of poles, the temperature recorded is very low. Here, so we can say that the climate of that place is very cold. Clear? So coming to the topics 7.2, meteorologists record the weather every day. Who are the meteorologists that measure analyze the that analyze the weather, that how it is changing. Here, meteorologists record the weather every day. The records of the weather have been preserved for the past several decades. Decades is a time period of how many years? 10 years. So they will note the temperature. So they will record the weather for several past decades. Clear? These help us to determine the weather pattern at that place. So note down, please underline the definition. It is written in bold: the average weather pattern taken over a long time, say 25 years, is called the climate. Clear? So next is climate. You know how to take the average? So the sum of the observations and the number of observations. So they are noting वो पूरे जो temperature है वो लिखेंगे in the numerator, and then they will divide it with the number of days or number of years they are calculating for. Climate, अगर बर्फ अगर ice पड़े तब वो it is not right. It is not right. It is not right. वो एक्चुअली में ऐसे हुआ है, वो फैक्ट बना के ऐसे दिखा रहे हैं, बट ऐसे कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन गूगल पे मैंने सर्च किया था, ऐसे कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल नहीं है. So if you see anything, firstly search more over it. Don't rely on any one single fact. Yeah. So the climate is the, what is the climate? Yes. Average weather pattern taken over the long period of time. So students, we have discussed the weather and climate. Next, it is not completed. We will discuss it tomorrow. Clear?